Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to share with you what I got in my February design team package for Cheeky.studio. So the first thing is I got this cute little embellishment package. It's called Ahoy. And let me see. That'll be really cute. I have, when the kids were younger, we used to do these scavenger hunts. So I'll have to dig those photos out. And, oh, look at that. Parrot is so cute. And you know what? We actually went to see parts of the Caribbean. So I am going to scrap those photos using this too. So it doesn't have to be just kids' photos. That's exactly what I'm going to scrap with those. And probably some of the, like I said, we used to do scavenger hunts. But Pirates of the Caribbean is one of my favorite movie series, I guess, because there's more than one. I've seen every single one of them. And it's probably one of those that I'll watch over and over again. So super cute, and there's tons. Holy moly. Oh, little bandanas, cute. Okay. Oh, look. Cute. And in the movie there was like this thing in the water too, so perfect. Okay. Well, tons of stuff. Hook. And if you're a fan or your kids are a fan of Peter Pan too, that would work for that, to do a page about that. And then you got the word ahoy and some stars, some diamonds, and okay. Then in this one here, you got some flares. This one says ARG. And a treasure and ahoy matey and a little ship. And then a little flag, pirate flag. And then I got this acrylic word that says happy place. There we go. I don't want to be too rough on it. Happy place. That's cute. And then I got a wood veneer that says sweet boy. And then I got these flares, and they're called panda flares, I think is what they were called. I just looked it up and already I forgot. But they're under flares. And you got don't worry, be happy, leaf, love, and then a little panda with little hearts. And then panda made in the shape of a heart and just the green colors. That's cute. And then I got the mixed media package. And in the mixed media package, there was some gold and 3 different colors of gold. Darker gold, brighter gold, and then a light. Or maybe it's brown. But it goes really well together. And then I got a Vibez Glorious Day, and that's from Shimmers. Super cute. Love the Shimmers. Use it all the time. And then it came with some bows. Some white and black bows and yellow and white bows. And this mixed media kit coordinates with the kit Latte Love, which I have that already. So, you know, I can mix match all my kits too at one point, because I've done quite a few layouts with the stuff that I got from before, but there is so much that I know I'm going to have lots leftovers, so I'm going to make sure to intermix my kits. So that's it. That's what I got in my February design team kit. And stay tuned, and very shortly I'll be sharing some layouts using these products. So check them out. The link is going to be in the description box below. And if you use Nicole Jones 911, you get 10% off your order. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.